If you're getting ready for a move and wondering how to protect your stuff, you're in the right place. Let's talk about the different types of moving insurance so you've got peace of mind from the start. When you hire a moving company, they'll offer at least one type of coverage, often called released value protection. What that means is you're covered at a very basic level, usually something like 60 cents per pound per item. So if something weighs 20 pounds, you might only get about $12 back, not the full value. If you've got more valuable stuff, electronics, antiques, or family heirlooms, you'll want something better. That's where full value protection comes in. With this, the mover agrees to repair, replace, or give you cash equal to the market value of lost or damaged items. It costs more, but the protection is far stronger. And then there's the third option, third-party moving insurance. This is insurance you buy separately from an independent company that fills in the gaps. It comes in handy when you're moving extremely valuable items, or you want extra coverage beyond what the mover offers. Here's how to decide. If most of your stuff is regular furniture and boxes, and you're moving short distance, basic coverage might be okay. But if you're moving far, you've got high-value items, or you just want peace of mind, go for full value or third-party insurance. Also, document your items, take pictures, keep receipts. It'll help if you ever need to file a claim. Want more expert tips and free moving quotes? Visit movers.com. You can also email us at contactus@movers.com or call 866-343-1243 to connect with trusted movers and make your next move smarter, easier, and more affordable.